Good morning, guys. Today is the day. Today is what? 1st of August. 1st of August, and it is 8:15 in the morning. Yesterday we slept at around 4 o'clock after doing all the packing and everything. We'll let you know where are we going now. I am someone who will almost dodge the trip and stay at home just because I'm sleepy. That is who I am. So yeah, so I thought 90% I thought that we are not going. But now my husband, he woke up early. I don't know what enthu he is having, but he is having some enthu, and he's quite excited to go. But anyways, I'll just keep you guys posted. See you then. Bye.
रामदेव का
तेरा आवाज रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है.
पतंजलि चाहिए ऐसे थोड़ा एलोवेरा से मालिश करेगी तो अच्छा लगेगा ना. ओहो, ये क्या वाटरफॉल सी ताजगी. ओहो, ऑलवेज चुमेश्वर रेडी.
ये मैं अनकट डालने वाली हूँ, याद रखना. तो पहले ही बोल रही हूँ तेरे को.
डोंट डू दैट. थोड़ा सा ऐसे एडिटिंग करना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. कट जेली ऐसे ऐसे करना. ट्रक ट्रक ट्रक.
I don't have that much time for truck.
People are observing you. You are setting an example. Good, good. Slowly, gently massage कर.
मैं पूरा नहीं डालने वाली हूँ, मैं सिर्फ थोड़ा ग्लिम्स ही डालने वाली
पिस्टल जेड है.
हूँ. हाँ.
इसे चौड़ी टाइट कर दे एकदम.
तेरे को मजाक सूझ रहा है क्या रे? कितने की फैन कर.
फैन करूँ?
हाँ.
कैसे करूँ? ऐसे गोलू. ये जो तुमने हो पिस्टल जेड. पिस्टल जेड हो. पिस्टल जेड हो. Baby, Gilu, yes, you want to something to eat? Yes, to eat. Did you want? Gilu, आपको गोल गोल मसाज करेगा. Good, money, good, money. Guys, have some guacamole. स्नेक्स खाएगी स्नेक्स. चाय का मौसम.
कनाडा.
दिखाओ कैसे लगा रहे हो आप. क्या लिखा है? फेसेस क्या कसनावा.
कैसे ना हुआ तो तू है.
मैं तो किसी लड़की को नहीं पटा.
I don't know this guy. Who is he? कहाँ से आते हैं? मैं हूँ जिया.
मैं हूँ बड़ा ताकतवर. मेरा गाना है बहुत रसीला. सॉरी सुरीला. आई नो शिंगशांग का 100% लिरिक्स इतना गंदा तो देख के मेरे को ये करवा नीचे गिरा कुछ
नहीं. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Myself Siddhi. I hope you guys are really doing fine. Today is 1st of August and it's afternoon. Exactly 12 baj gaye hain. So now we are out and about on a little trip of ours. Hold on. Okay, so sorry. So we are out on a little road trip to my hometown, that is Valsad, and it's for a birthday party. It's in the evening today. We supposed to leave today early by
8 o'clock
8 o'clock, but along with my two kids, my cats, it's very difficult. So now that we left by
11 o'clock I guess
at 11 o'clock, and now we are just ahead Dahisar.
yeah
So Dahisar थोड़ा क्रॉस किया है. Let's see, I think हम 3 बजे तक पहुंच जाएंगे hopefully, and I'll just show you the setup. Here is my husband
hey guys
and I'm sitting ahead, and here are my two cats. Here is a little tray for Cleo, her little bed there, and a little setup for Rizla. Rizla is very little. I don't know if you all are able to see him because he's really very little. So we have kept him in a cage. एंड सीट्स पे हमने एक छोटा चादर लगा दिया है सो दैट वो स्क्रैच ना करे. सो क्लियो इज़ अ वेरी ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली cat, I can say. She's absolutely fun to travel with and doesn't go cranky, like she doesn't meow much. Yes, of course she gets a little like stressed out because of the noise and the car is moving constantly. So but she's a really cooperative cat, I can say. And let's see, now we will be searching for some some place to eat because we did not eat breakfast. Of course our kids, they have eaten, they have taken their medicine. दोनों ने खाना खाया है, रिजला और क्लियो ने. तो let's see, once we get a stop we'll get back. Okay, stay tuned.
good not bad चावल बुला दे
I did not even try. अदरक के
चावल बुला
ठीक है.
इधर लोग क्या पार्टीदार रजवाड़ी चाप बैचेस चलो सेंसर लियो मतलब आमची लियो आगे बस क्या कहते हैं लियो लियो देखते क्या वो अंकल वो क्या रजवाड़ी मैकडॉनल्ड्स
ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं रहे, लंच ब्रेक है, बट क्लियो इज नॉट ईटिंग फॉर सम रीजन.
उसको ट्रैवलिंग में सिर्फ शांति बैठती है खाएगी.
एंड कार का हालत देखो. दिस इज हाउ यू ट्रैवल व्हेन यू आर विद बेबीज. Wait, I'll show you Rizla. Shall I open? I'll open. Hi people. And here is Rizla eating his food. Hi. And Cleo is Cleoing. Cleo, please go in, Shama Babu. We have just given her food and water bowl. I don't know if she'll eat or what. Chalo. Chalo, 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 chalo. Who's the dog?
समवेयर इन गुजरात का स्टार्टिंग
हाँ?
अच्छा है. देखो पहाड़ पे कितना मस्त लग रहा है.
हाँ, गुजरात भी बुरा नहीं है रे. गुजरात भी बुरा नहीं है. गुजरात भी
बाद में खाई हो.
Anyways, the time is 10 minutes to 2 I think we will reach by 3:30ish. Let's see. Depends on the speed of Kshitij.
अरे यार कोई घाई नहीं, अब मस्त आराम आराम से।
हाँ, लाइक बाहर निकलते तो घाई घाई में मुझे ना इधर से उधर, इधर से उधर, इधर से उधर। I don't like it. Enjoy the journey.
Chill करो, chill.
Right?
Yes.
Enjoy the journey. Destination तो सबका ही है। एक ही destination है।
कौन सा?
एक ही destination है।
ये कर्म।
Destination एक ही है कि वो जाके
मेरा
ऊपर
destination कौन सा मालूम है?
ऊपर जवाब देना क्या है? हाँ।
अच्छा, tell me what is my destination. Music हो गई। See show.
कलैयो 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 हमारे सोनू।
उसको है ना, वो गाड़ी हाई स्पीड पे गई ना, तभी थोड़ा वो पैनिक होने लग गई। 80-90 कर रहे थे तब तक ठीक था वो। 90 क्रॉस किया तभी थोड़ा।
मुझे पता है ना छोटे बेबी के साथ इतना ज्यादा फास्ट।
अरे मैंने थोड़ी कभी बेबी पाले, ना खुद के ना दूसरे
तो
के।
ये देखो प्रैक्टिस है।
हाँ, इसलिए भगवान ने बिल्ली पाए भेजे।
भगवान के जो भी एनिमल्स रहते हैं। चलो देन, आई होप आज ही हम पहुंच जाए।
अच्छा, नहीं आराम आराम से 10 की स्पीड पे चलेंगे तो
आराम आराम से जाएंगे, एंजॉय करेंगे थोड़ा सीनिक। आफ्टर मंथ्स वी आर आउट।
बेल्ट लगाओ, बेल्ट सेफ्टी फर्स्ट। सेफ्टी नहीं करते तुम लोग।
शेफ्टी
सेफ्टी सेफ्टी
शेफ्टी मराठीमध्ये काय असतं? शेफ्टी अटक गया बेल्ट। ओके देन,
चला
see you soon.
स्टेशन स्टेशन स्टेशन
टेसन टेसन टेसन
विराट स्टेशन,
विराट के तो आगे ही है 100% हम लोग।
वलसाड स्टेशन।
मैनेजिंग द बेल्ट एंड दिस इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट।
आई नो, अभी बोले थे ना वो हैंडल्ड वाला अभी लेने वाले। वो
एंड क्या
वो
है?
क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
क्या बोलते हैं
ओस्मो,
उसको?
डीजे ओस्मो पॉकेट 4।
देखो थोड़ा दया।
ओह माय गॉड, फैंटास्टिक। स्लो क्लैप्स फॉर यू।
स्लो तो नहीं था वो। देखो इधर तुम्हारी कोकण में ही नहीं आते कोकोनट ट्रीज। हाँ समझा ना?
अरे
में भी आता है, गुजरात में भी आता है। गुजरात में भी आता है हमारे।
खुद महाराष्ट्र है तो कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं।
कोस्टल है, कोस्टल तो कोस्टल में तो आएगा ही।
अच्छा सुन ना,
देखना कितने रे माउंटेन्स देखना।
कितने माउंटेन?
किसी ने तो पुपी की।
सुगंध आलेला आहे, सुगंध द्रव्य।
ओ बॉय रिजला, हाय गॉड।
क्लीन करना है कि बैठेगी?
Guys, see you soon. Bye. This is absolutely scary, okay? I don't know about you, but I am absolutely scared now. I'm just questioning my decision of coming here. Oh boy. It was supposed to be yesterday, okay? Not today. I checked the weather and it showed me that it's going to be sunny today.
Sunny.
I swear I'm not kidding. Yesterday I checked the weather, today's weather, Valsad ka, and it's supposed to be sunny. Boy, this is disgusting.
It is beautiful.
Not that I hate rains, it's just a little difficult for us to drive with.
Sorry. I'm enjoying, Baba.
He's
You talk about yourself.
He's enjoying, but I am shit scared, bro. Because it's difficult. हम दोनों रहेंगे चलेगा, पर ये दो बच्चे हैं।
हाँ।
दो बच्चे हैं और उनके लिए मुझे डर लगता है। They might get scared. Oh boy.
सो रहा है वो पीछे के लिए।
सो रहा है, उसको अंदाजा नहीं है ना बाहर बारिश का। Oh my god.
टाइम पास कर रहे ट्रक वाले।
Insane. This is insane. Oh boy. Finally we reached.
बहुत का पड़ाव पार करते हुए।
वलसाड। तो यहाँ पर ऐसे सारे रो हाउसेस हैं इसमें।
अरे प्लॉट।
हाँ, सो आई वाज जस्ट सेइंग कि यहाँ पर ऐसे सारे रो हाउसेस हैं। एंड अभी हम कितने बजे? इट्स 5 minutes to
4 बजे।
आपको लास्ट में घर दिख रहा है? वहाँ पर वो मेरा है, मतलब मम्मी ने लिया था। और हम पहुंच गए हैं फाइनली। टरा 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 टरा। आई गो।
पानी भरा है बे इधर।
पानी यूजुअली तो नहीं भरता है रे, किसे भरा क्या
इसको
मालूम।
इसके।
ये क्या पता, सामने वाले बच्चे करेगा बस। सो फाइनली हम लोग आ गए हैं मेरे काका के घर पे, एंड वील जस्ट अनलोड ऑल द थिंग्स।
गाड़ी
We'll just unload all the things and we'll get back to you. Oh my god. हाँ
नित्य तो वो एंजॉय करते हैं कि आप तो बस आते हैं।
हाँ।
हाँ आयो।
Hi you guys. So I have reached Valsad and this is my kaka's house. So downstairs. And we are living on the first floor. Someone is absolutely tired. Sheetij. Absolutely tired. So I've set Rizla's little bed over here. I don't know, he's just shouting, going bonkers, my Rizlu. And Cleo is just discovering the place around. So this is how the first floor looks like. No one stays here, it's just only my kaka and kaki. Here they have a little storage to keep onions and garlic. It's like kitchen area but not functional kitchen. About 6 o'clock and I'll rest for a few minutes. The function starts exactly like 7 o'clock. I'll just rest for a few minutes and we'll get ready then. Okay, see you then.
You will love it.
Ta-da! So Kaka set up this cutesy bed for us while we were away, and here we have set Rizla's cute little den, his bed, his pee pad, his toys, and he's making a lot of noise and annoying me today. Of course, both my kids are really tired and stressed because of the journey. Here we have Cleo's litter box, so she can use it in the morning. Okay, so Kaka, he loves to sleep in such mosquito mesh nets.
Yeah.
And it reminds me of childhood. We used to go under the table and put the curtains, blankets and like a little campaign thing. So it's exactly giving me that vibes. And how sweet of Kaka to do this for us. And here Cleo is all cozied. My Cleo is all cozy up. We are having some caramel popcorns there just to end our perfect Saturday. Some water. And yeah, it was a hectic night, right?
Hectic evening.
No, actually hectic day.
Yeah.
Yes, no?
Yes.
So we slept today in the morning by 4 o'clock, got up by 7. Kshitiji got up by 7 o'clock. Luckily I got up by 8:30. I got some sleep. And now I'm entering my den. It's so cute, yeah. It's so cute, yeah. Ew, his armpits.
Whose armpit?
No one. Oh my god.
My armpit was there.
All of a sudden I'm so pink. I've done my skincare. Plum skincare. The one recently which I... दोनों का प्यार देखो. रात के 1:30 बजे. कितने बज रहे हैं? Hold on. बज गए हैं 1. yeah, we did not get time to take a nap also in the afternoon,
Yeah.
in the evening actually, because we just changed and we went to the function. Function was good, it was decent, and just we got to meet our family members, which was pending since a really long time. And what? And of course, Rudra, he was unwell. The maximum times I don't know, but whenever a child's birthday comes, especially when they are like really small, they tend to fall sick. Yeah, they tend to fall sick and they get fever and they get cranky, and the worst they'll behave on their birthday, all crying and everything. But at least the Rudra, he was little cooperative, and he was, just he was little tired, and I was able to understand.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But he was still smiling and talking and going to everyone, playing with them. So क्यूट बच्चा था, क्यूट बच्चा, क्यूट बच्चे का फर्स्ट बर्थडे. So we are done here. After a long time, we have gone to someone's birthday party. Like never have been on someone's birthday party except from our like family members. Did we? No, no. Whose? That's what I'm saying. No, family only. No, family only. Apart from family, friends hardly we go out anywhere. So after like months and months, we've got this time that we could travel and meet people. And it was fun. It was really fun. Right?
Yeah.
Chalo, so now calling off the night.
I'll finish up the popcorns.
I'm gonna finish up all the popcorns.
Almost over. But can you entire popcorn grain, okay, the entire popcorn is popped perfectly and it's round like a toffee and a popcorn.
And it's about to go in your mouth.
Finish your also.
No, it's okay. Thank you. Okay. So that's it about today. It was a perfect Saturday. Travel, yummy food, meeting new people, making memories, and sleeping in a den. What else someone will want? So we should thank God for this beautiful, wonderful day and all the best things that's happening to us. Right? Am I right or am I right? Okay then, so let's end this perfect Saturday. Good night, take care, sweet dreams. See you then. Sayonara.